Hello and welcome to this short video looking at how to add a Youngstock or beef enterprise on Farmbench. As you can see, this demo farm currently does not include a Youngstock or beef enterprise. To add, go to this drop-down menu, scroll down and look for Youngstock beef within the livestock at the bottom. Then click Add. You can now name your enterprise and add other important details. In this example, we are doing finishing cattle. It is important to remember to add the correct enterprise identifier. This one is beef finishing. However, the other options also include beef stores, heifer replacements for both suckler and dairy, calf rearing and breeding bulls. Continue to add the other details appropriate for your enterprise. Including animals that are still in the enterprise from the previous year. Remember to save. You can now go to the production section to add further details. Look for finishing cattle within the list and use the blue buttons to select the group you want to add details to. You can see here the animals that we added during the enterprise section. To value these animals, click Edit next to the number. These are the values for the animals at the start of the year. It can be added per head or as totals. Remember to put the correct age for the animals in and save. You can also add animals that have come in during the production year. In this example, some steers have been bought in to finish. We are going to add these to purchase beef by clicking the Edit button. For these ones, you can add them as batches. Fill in the appropriate batch details. You may want to use the date these animals were purchased for the batch name to help keep track of them. Don't forget to save. You can now see these animals available within the animals available for sale. To add sales, use the edit buttons down the side, or remember to value any animals left in the closing animals. Thank you for listening and hopefully it has helped. If you need any further help setting up enterprises or with what to do next, check out our other videos or contact a member of the team.